Postage stamps on Indian political leaders. There are 29 stamps in this lot. 4 stamps of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, 1869-1948, who employed non-violent resistance in independence struggle. Maulana Abul Kalam, Azad, 1988-2058, scholar, freedom fighter, India's first education minister. 2 stamps of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, 1889-1964, India's first Prime Minister, visionary leader, advocate for democracy, Dadabhai Naoroji, 1825-1917, founder member of Indian National Congress, Pit Deen Dayal, Upadhyay, 1916-1968, leader of the political party Bharatiya Jana Sangh, the forerunner of BJP, Dr. Zakir Hussain, 1897-1969, former President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1888-1975, former President of India, Dr. Jaya Prakash Narayan, 1902-1979, Indian politician Shama Prasad Mukherjee, 91-1953, founder of Bharatiya Jan Sangh Lala Lajpat Rai, 1865-1928, Indian politician in independence movement known as Punjab Kesari, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, 1905-1977, former President of India, Sarojini Naidu, 1879-1949, Indian political activist in independence movement, Motilal Nehru, 1861-1931, Indian activist in independence movement and President of Indian Congress Khudiram Bose, 1889-1908, freedom fighter Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya, 1861-1946, former President of Indian National Congress Kasturba Gandhi, 1869-1944, Indian political activist, Mahatma Gandhi's wife Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak, 1856-1920, Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, 1869-1948, who employed non-violent resistance in independence struggle. Ravi Shankar Vyas, known as Ravi Shankar Maharaj, 1884-1984, was an Indian independence activist, social worker and Gandhian Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 1924-2018. Former Prime Minister of India, visionary leader, poetic orator, statesman extraordinaire. India's political luminary, whose charisma and policies shaped a nation's destiny. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 1931-2015. Missile technologist, aerospace engineer, 11th President of India, inspiring leader, contributed to India's nuclear program, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, 1891-1956, former Minister of Law and Justice of India, known as Baba Saheb. Ambedkar was economist, social reformer, architect of Indian Constitution. Rajiv Gandhi, 1944-1991, former commercial pilot, transitioned into politics, served India as Prime Minister of India. Subhash Chandra Bose, 1897-1945, nationalist leader, freedom fighter, advocate for Indian independence. Kamala Nehru, 1899-1936, Indian independence activist and the wife of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi, 1917-1984, first female Prime Minister of India, influential leader, stateswoman. For more, visit www.hobbystore.in.